The other day, I needed a new shirt. It's been a while. COVID, work from home. Some of the shirts, they don't fit, you know? So anyway, I fire up the most commonly used search engine in the world, and I'm not talking about Google, I'm talking about our brains. I thought, who makes a good quality shirt that's business casual and that's not crazy expensive? Club Monaco. Now, what happened there was Club Monaco did a great job branding themselves around a category entry point, which is a cue that I use to access my memory when faced with a buying situation. And in this case, it was business casual, high quality, and something under $200. While B2B products are more expensive, our brains work the same way. We ask ourselves, what tool do we know that we can solve the problem that I'm having right now? And if I know of a tool already, I'm probably going to fire up Google, I'm going to search for your website, and I'm going to get learning and fill out a contact or a demo form. Build your brand around category entry points. It not only helps you acquire customers, it helps you retain them. Now, to learn more about how to actually build category entry points or learn more about the topic itself, read Professor Romaniuk's research on the B2B Institute's website in the link below, and remember, the brand that gets remembered is the brand that gets bought.